Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. Today, we are diving into the world of video editing with Kinemaster. We will be learning how to effortlessly add a green screen effect to your video. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Kinemaster application and start up a new project. And then, once you do that, tap on the media option in the wheel on the right hand side corner and then select a video clip you want to edit. Select the video clip from your device's library or other sources and then tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Now once you add the video clip you want to edit onto your timeline, the next thing to do is to tap on Layer. From the Layer option, select Media. Go ahead and select a green screen video you want to add. After you are done, you will be able to see that you've added the green screen clip as well right underneath the video clip onto your timeline. Go ahead and get the green screen footage and align it with your first video clip. After you are done with it, you can use the arrow located on the preview to resize the green screen video and place it in your desired location. After you are done, the next thing you'll need to do is to go ahead and get to this right hand side tool panel and tap on the chroma key option. This will open up the chroma key settings. Make sure to toggle on the button right next to enable, and you can then further adjust your chroma key using the tools at the bottom. In the key color option, make sure that you select green color. Once you're satisfied with the green screen removal, get back to your timeline and preview the video by tapping the play button. So that's how you will be able to add green screen to your video using Kinemaster. You can now create amazing and professional looking videos. Make sure to experiment with different settings and backgrounds to fit your unique style. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more video editing tips and tutorials from us. See you again in the next one.